Looks pretty busted.
It is busted. What's up? We are on the West Montreal River doing the middle section today. November 7th, no snow, 10 degrees and sunny today. Let's do it.
Alrighty.
Should be a really sweet day for running some rapids. Not really sure what the water levels are going to be like. It's been pretty dry of late. Not a typical fall flush like we normally get with the autumn rain. Yeah, we'll see. I think there's about up to 10 sets ranging from class 1 to maybe class 3. So we'll see at these levels what they're like. Should be a fun day. Northeastern Ontario's West Montreal River is a great destination for a weekend whitewater trip. The middle section starts off with a bunch of short and sweet technical rapids, before mellowing out at Arthur Lake. Two unnamed sets before Pigeon Lake offer up some quick fun, before the river empties out into an area of long, slender lakes. Oh, I think I see it ahead of us.
I hear it.
First rapid. Doesn't sound crazy. Well, you can see the water, like, it doesn't look crazy low, but it's definitely lower than like spring flows. All right.
Good to go?
Good to go. Could be a nice little warm up.
Yeah. That's a good drop, dude.
Yeah. Curl down. Yeah. 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 Nice. Good job, dude. That wasn't too bad. Nice. Wicked. All right, what do we got here? Yeah, we're gonna hit me. Okay, so low water. Oh my god. Oh, we should have gone right or left. We'll be good. We're just gonna smoke a rock though, dude.
I know.
That wasn't too bad.
Yeah, baby, we're rolling over this.
Okay, so that wasn't the crazy class 3. I don't think we're gonna get big.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, not happening. Right, another rapid. All of them are pretty small, but still be pretty fun. Nothing crazy.
Kind of nice, actually.
Yeah, it's
Big
cedar.
old cedars.
Yeah.
Swoop to the right after.
Yep. Done. All right, that was elbow rapids. Wow.
Yeah.
Elbow riffles. Are you ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, now that's good. I got it.
That show's done. Easy money.
Easy money. Nice. Yeah, got it.
Yep.
Nice, we're done. Okay, slow down?
Yep. I'm gonna take us up just a little bit, and then I'm gonna get out.
Okay.
Actually, right here I can land. Probably want to go right down here. I'm thinking.
Set?
Yeah.
Yeah, you ready? Hold it tight the whole way.
About to get in.
Okay.
I'm good.
Okay.
3,
2, 1, I'm in. Oh yeah. Not bad. Yeah. So left here? Yeah.
Straight ahead.
Right here?
Yep.
Nice, dude.
Nice.
Let's go.
Hey, that was more fun.
Yeah, that was good.
That line was mint, dude.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That was fun. All right, big set coming up here, boys.
Oh, I can hear it.
Big set.
Curse splash.
Woo! Action, check it out. Oh.
All right. Full send to the end.
Yeah, that's big.
Yeah.
This sucks.
Bro, I can feel my feet getting like pounded by little rocks.
Yeah.
Oh, felt that one. Woohoo!
Money.
Yeah.
Class 4 rapid, no big deal. Just gonna gun it like it's nothing.
All right, but let's not get too cocked up.
Yeah, there's some maneuvering here.
Good. Oh.
Whoa.
What the? Sorry, dude. I didn't even see that. I'm just pushing us off. What the? I didn't even see that. That thing's huge.
Yeah, I know. Line us up.
Okay, we're good here. We're gonna go over here. Gonna bounce a bit. Here we go.
All right.
Yeah.
It's pretty busted.
It is busted. I didn't see that rock, dude.
I was sticking out about 1 or 2, my man.
See, I was looking.
What's he doing? Oh my
Wow.
God. Brutal.
That was horrible.
Let's do it.
Yeah. I think we're good.
Yeah. I'm in.
Oh, by good I mean it's rocky, but we're good.
A little choppy, eh?
That one rock to the bow came, but we hit it like here.
Yeah.
It is cold out, but we are decked up. Decked up.
Decked up, boy.
All right, let's go. Pigeon Lake. Caw-caw! I don't think that's what a pigeon's. Bush pigeon. Woo! Man, why do a 300-meter portage when you can just bush crash 10 meters? Probably do it all over again down there. Yeah, we'll see. Clear? Think we can run this one? I'm just looking at this one here.
just leads into the next one. That's my problem. Okay.
Whoa, we got a big eddy though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, I think we're okay.
Okay.
Let's go to the eddy.
Which one?
Far one.
This?
Yeah.
Kind of a weird turn, maybe.
Okay. Told ya. We'll just kind of position the bow slightly upstream and we'll kind of punch through here. Ready? Nice. Well done. Hey, we got to run some. This is better than nothing. Yeah. That was slow, but it was fun. Sweet. Do it now? Yeah, I'm just seeing up a sec. It's like a little ledge, but I think left. It's nothing of consequence. We're just gonna pop into the right.
Yeah.
I'll pop right over it. Oh, it's a double. Wicked! No more Whitewater, unfortunately.
That's it.
That's all she wrote. Helmets away. Life jackets off.
Yeah. Nice, it's off.